Yo, it's your boy GK on the spot again, and today, for the very first time, I'm going to be unboxing the Ingco spray gun. Now this is obviously a spray gun from Ingco. I got this by Do It Center. I think it's a great buy. It was just about $100, and this one is the one that uses the cord, right? Straight off the box is the gun, and there's absolutely nothing in the box. I'll get straight to that. Let's rest that there. We got, of course, the gun, and in the plastic we have the manual. Also, the cleaning pin is stuck to the manual. I'm gonna leave that right there. And plastic. All right, so we have the Ingco spray gun. And for what I understand, the power button is all the way on the top. It's right there. I think this is rotatable so that you could, there we go, yeah. So it's rotatable. So if you want to point forward or you want to point back, that's pretty cool. The one with the batteries, it's more expensive. It's like about $300. So you guys can go and check Do It Center if you really want to see if that's good, right? And I think the most important thing is actually the what's it called though? It's oh, there it is, the velocity table. All right, so this is the velocity tube. This is what you use to check the velocity of whatever you're putting into the tank. All right, so in other words, if you don't know what that means and you're watching this video, if I'm putting paint or varnish or anything into the tank, I have to check the velocity of the liquid that I'm putting in. And in other words, that has to be a certain thinness and waterness or lightness. And so I'm going to be using some varnish, so I'm going to just say varnish. So it's going to check how long it takes for the varnish to be in this and drain out. So my varnish velocity is 15 to 40 seconds. So anywhere between 15 to 40 seconds, once that's managed to do that within that time, that means it's good to go into the machine. If it takes shorter than 15 seconds, then that's bad. It's too watery. If it takes longer than 40 seconds, then that's too thick. All right, so we're gonna give this all the test right now. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna varnish this table I'm using right now, and let's get into it. Let's have some fun. All right, let's see all this machine. Hands up. All right, so we capped about 30 seconds, 31 seconds right here. I think that's pretty good. Alright guys, so this is it. I love how it came out. It looks beautiful. While using it, the one thing that I realized, it's always better to start off with a low power, low pressure, and then gradually go up and get yourself adjusted to using this spray gun. The weight is really good, the handling is really good, and the one thing that I like about it, when you start on low pressure, the liquid does not go everywhere. As you can see, I didn't have any protection around me, and I don't have a spot on me, neither a spot around the area I was spraying. So there you have it guys. This is the Ingco spray gun. Out of 1 to 10, I'm gonna definitely give this Ingco spray gun an 8. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the page. It's your boy GK on the spot again. Peace out.